I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice test question for you to sketch graphs of each polynomial functions. The first one is a cubic function. Leading coefficient is positive. Zeros of 4 has multiplicity of 3. So we have just one zero, which is at 4, and the multiplicity is 3. So what we have here is, let us say f of x, which is equals to cubic function leading coefficient is positive, so some positive values, and inside we have 0 of 4, that means x minus 4, multiplicity 3 means kind of cube, right? So that is how it is. So we need to sketch a graph of this function. So what we can do is, let's draw this, and let us say that means 0 is at 4. Let us say this point is 4 for us. At this point 4, we have multiplicity of 3. That means it is a cubic curve which goes kind of like this. So we can sketch leading coefficient is positive, so right side is up, right? So that is how the graph of this function should be. Correct? And this point is 4 for us. So remember, when you say leading coefficient is positive, it means right side up. So let's analyze this. Cubic function, that's the cubic function. Leading coefficient is positive, that means right side up. So positive leading coefficient defines the end behavior. That is, if x approaches positive infinity, y approaches positive infinity. And since the right side is up and it's an odd degree function, the other end will go towards the opposite end. So when x approaches negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity. Yeah, let's do the next one, which is quantic function. That means odd degree. Okay, so we have odd degree function. Leading coefficient positive, that means right side up. Zero of plus minus 2 with multiplicity of 2, and 0, that means 2 each, right? So we have 4 factors here, and 0 of minus 4 has multiplicity of 1. That's one factor. That makes it 5, correct? So with this given information, you can easily sketch the graph of this polynomial. We know right side is up, odd degree, so that is kind of right side up, and left side should be down. Odd means opposite ends, right? Now zeros are given at plus minus 2, so let us say this is plus minus 2 for us, and this is plus 2. Okay, and then we have 0 at minus 4, so this is, let us say, at minus 4. Now let's look into multiplicity. Now when we say that the graph is moving from quadrant 3 to 1, we'll actually see all zeros from left to right. So minus 4 multiplicity is 1. So you're going to cross this like a straight line. That means multiplicity of 1. Now zeros at plus minus 2 has multiplicity of 2. That means it is going to bounce back, right? Like this. You're above the horizontal axis, so it should be like this. Now connecting these points, you should get your graph, right? Like this. Do you see that? So you can have this graph kind of like this. Is it okay? And then you can come like this. So that is how you can sketch a quintic function. I hope you understand and appreciate the steps taken to sketch this kind of a function. Thank you.